friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll talk about an accessory for your smartphone. It's the AMX BMX adaptive wireless charger. So wireless charging is one of those features which is now available in a lot of premium flagship smartphones, including the ones from Huawei, Apple, Samsung, and even the Pixel devices have wireless charging included. So if you own a premium flagship smartphone, wireless charging is something which is available, and there are lots of wireless chargers also available. So in this video we'll specifically talk about a wireless charger which is kind of affordable as well, and it also supports 10-watt fast charging. So we have the AMX BMX adaptive wireless charger. So this is the box package of this device, and this is available on Amazon. You can pick it for around 2,100 rupees, and this has some really good features as well. So you can see that it comes with the bi-directional charging, LED indicator is available, dual coil charging is there, overheat protection is there, then you have fast charging up to 10 watt, then case friendly charging is also included. That means every time you want to charge the device you don't have to remove the case, and this is compatible with, you can see that iPhone 8, 10s, 10R, you have Samsung S9, Note 9 and major smartphones which support the Qi wireless charging protocol. So this is based on the Qi wireless charging protocol. So any device which has this protocol, you can charge it with the AMX BMX. So we'll just open the box package and we'll just show you the wireless charger and what all comes inside the box. So opening up, we have the charger included. So this is the wireless charger. So we'll just take this out. So you can see that it has a pretty good design to it. It looks really nice. You can see that this is it can be also used as a mobile stand. You can see that this is the charger, and here we have the voltage rating mentioned. We have the BMX fast wireless charger. Input and output voltage is 5 ampere 1 volt, 5 volt 1 ampere, or 9 volt 1.3 ampere. So that's the output voltage of this charger, and here we have the LED light indicator, and there is this charging slot for connecting your the input socket. So that's how the charger looks, and it has this AMX branding at the top, and you can see that there is a rubberized finish here so that you don't the device don't slip out of your charger. So we'll just connect this to a device and we'll just show you how this works. So now we are connected to the power cable, and we have two devices. One is the Pixel 3 XL which supports wireless fast charging. Then we also have the Huawei P30 Pro. We have a case for P30 Pro. So we'll just test these two conditions. So one is with the case and one is without the case. So we'll just first try with the case. So as soon as I place it, you can see that the device is charging now. So this is the wireless charging on the P30 Pro. So now it's charging. So this is the wireless charger, and it works really nice. Now, so we also have the Pixel 3 XL with us which supports wireless charging. So let's just play this on the device. So there you go, you can see now it's charging. So that's the wireless charging on the AMX charger. So this is quite handy charger if you want to get a wireless charger, and you need to have the devices which supports wireless charging. Most of the flagship smartphones do have wireless charging, so if you want to have, you can pick it from Amazon. We'll share the link in the description of this video. It looks pretty good. So that was the AMX wireless charger, and this is available for a price of 2,100 rupees, and this is a BMX AMX wireless charger, and this is Qi certified wireless charger. So that's all guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.